How to fix Messenger group member ad problem. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about the problem that is stopping you to add anyone in your group on Messenger. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you have installed Messenger in your phone with its latest version. You can go to the Play Store and search for Messenger application, and then after, update it to the latest version available. Now go back and launch the Messenger application and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. You might have violated some rules and regulations of Messenger, so that might be the first problem. Simply click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen, and now click on the gear icon in the top right corner and to access the settings. Now scroll down and go to Report Technical Problem. Click on it, Report Anyway. Click on Include. Here, simply type in Hi Messenger team. I have not been able to add any members in my group recently, so I want you to help me with this problem. Now, and simply click on Send in the top right corner of the screen. You can also include screenshots by going to the camera roll, or you can record the video. Another thing you can do is you can check the group add member privacy policy as well, and you can also check the block contact. So by following the simple steps, I hope you will be able to add members in your Messenger group chat. So that's all for this video. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.